Yo guys, it's Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. As you can hear, I'm still not quite back to full health again. I'm still coughing around like an idiot, but I feel it's getting better. Kinda. It's taking a longer time than I would have expected, but you know, it's not like I have to go out there somewhere and have to be around people. I can kind of isolate myself at the moment, which is very useful. So yeah, today, what are we gonna do today? So ice was brought in before, we had that. Uranium is being refined now, as far as I know. There we go. Now, what else? Basically, rockets. That's what I would like to have. We have a few missiles already here, and they've been producing a little while already, I think. Missile. Yes, there we go. There's already a few missile ready to go. And I wonder if I just toss these into the, you know, the normal cargo of the ship. If then, potentially I could, if they get automatically, oh, wow, they're heavy. I kind of didn't see that coming. If they get automatically put, you know, into, let's say, the rocket launchers, the missile launchers. But I cannot, oh, ow. I cannot access them from here. Could that be true? Is it because I have filters around here? Shouldn't be, unless the filters somehow are not configured in the right way. Let me check this one. Ores. No, this only blacklists ores, so that shouldn't block this. I can see if maybe from here, if I can access the container. Okay. So if I missile, let's go to launch. Oh, they're called rocket launchers. That's why. Okay. So what if docking port connector? Can we just put them in here and see what happens? Not much. I wonder if they're connected correctly. I have the feeling there might not be. Okay. They somehow do not get to the rocket launchers. A mystery. We have to figure this out. Okay, so the rocket launcher wing structure should be accessible from, if I'm correct, from the lower deck. Oh, hold on. Do I have artificial gravity here? Oh yeah, I do. I was just curious. I don't have, like, over here, but that's fine. What I could do, of course, kind of as a warning that there's no more artificial gravity here, I could take this, make it yellow, and then basically do a little line around here, you know? So that is like a visual indicator that beyond this point there's no more gravity. Which I like that. That's fair enough, isn't it? Is that now visible from the outside? No, it shouldn't be. We have too much... Oh, okay, it's up here, it's visible. And down here. But we can technically help with that by putting some armor plates around that. Easy solution. Yeah, but we need some more, yeah. Some more steel plates. And then we should be able to do that. There we go. Let me just cover that up, because that's a bit ugly if stuff like that is showing on the other side, right? I mean, this is not the most prettiest fix, but it works, I suppose. You know, if I remember correctly, I haven't done this in a while, because I haven't played Empyrean in a while, but in Empyrean, if I remember correctly, you can paint blocks like side by side if you wish. So you can paint something, a texture on this side, and then on the other side a completely different texture, which is really cool. Makes designing stuff a lot easier. Anyway, we wanted to go to the rocket launcher facility to see if there's a problem. Depressurization off. There we go. So we do have good air in here, right? Yes, air is full, which means that the ice that we input into the system has been doing wonders. Okay. Rocket control. There we go. So there must be a hiccup somewhere here.
Inventory full.
Oh, that's awkward. Okay. Can we access... Oh, hold on. Do we have enough to place an inventory down? Do we have enough components? Because if we do... construction components. Can I get construction components? The vault should be here on this level, right? Yes, we can access it through here. There. Oh, that's interesting. So we cannot access here. There is something wrong. Are we not docked somehow? That's very strange. There's something going on that is weird. I must have missed something somewhere. A blockage or something. I'm gonna check again if we're docked, but I'm pretty sure we are. I should have... Well, depressurization on. Check. Okay, let's get some construction components down there. And we are docked, so there should be... We should be able to reach inventory in that ship. In theory, it might be No, wait, we should be able to get the construction components through here, because it's only blocking ores. Hold on. If we put... Let's put one construction component in here. So, assembler we can get into. The beds... No. Control stations... Turrets... Well, obviously. There's a bunch of connectors. Well, I should probably say only current ship inventory, yes? So there's certain things I can access, but not everything. So for example, the vault, interesting. So certain vault things I can access, not all of them, however. Okay, so that's a secondary problem we'll have to fix afterwards. Very, very confusing. Okay. Well, we'll have to do that one thing at a time. We're not quite space-worthy yet. So we'll have to deal with that. But yeah. Good. Pressurization has happened. Excellent. Alright, one thing at a time, yes? Let's go to the rocket control and fix this issue first. Before we do anything else. So. Okay, I can access the main inventory from here, oddly enough. I should probably have at least 25 steel plates on me because I drilled away one block. But hold on. Hold on, so the rockets can get through here. Huh? Okay, now some of the launchers are full, oddly enough. Oh, hold on. I have to grind this away real quick. Oh! Do I see this correctly, that there's no connection to these guys? Oh yeah! What the hell? What the hell was I thinking? Right? I'm missing, like... The hell? How the... And this must be replicated on the other side, because I did it probably the same way. Right? So... Let me get my conveyor here. And now, just at the moment I inserted the cargo container, it obviously resolved itself. But yeah, there was a block here, just a armor block, which obviously doesn't work. Okay, so I'll have to, real quick, I'll cut you away for a second. Gonna put, what the hell? There we go. A cargo container here. Then we'll drop a conveyor in here. And we'll need a bunch of different things. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. That obviously doesn't work now. Ugh. That is a bit awkward. Okay. Hold on. I need to check what I need to complete this. So I need small tube, everything but motors, really. Okay. Fair enough. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. Everything but motors. Where's the interior? There, that should do it. Oh, that is annoying. Okay, we'll have to do like a partial transfer thing here. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come off it. I need to drop something else, I suppose. There. And now the conveyor junction gets in.
Energy low.
That's good. I want to get some more steel plates real quick, like 10 more.
Inventory full.
And then we're gonna put that here.
Inventory full.
Excellent. That worked out perfectly. Great. Need to fix that. And then we don't have a motor. Of course we don't! Ah! This is just slightly frustrating. Just a tiny bit frustrating, you know? Can I store something? I think I can store stuff in here, can I not? Yes. Okay. Hold on. We'll have to do this the stupid way, but we'll have to do it. I think we were missing something, right? Yeah, we were missing motors. Okay. So we'll plop the cargo container down, which we now have not enough stuff to build it with. Of course. There we go. And then we get a bunch of motors. We get that stuff all in here. Get rid of that. And then plonk down this. There. Fixed. Right? And now we can hopefully take all of that crap again. Not all of it, okay. And now we go to the other rocket control, which will have exactly the same issue. Yes. And I will deposit... Nope. Not deactivating dampers. That's a dumb idea. Move stuff into here. Get the rest of my other stuff. God, this is annoying. That's the moment where you really wish you could just access conveyors as you could with normal inventories. You know what I mean? But alas, that's not possible. That's why these access points with inventories would be very useful, but I don't have a lot of those around here. That might be a little bit of a flaw of the ship, I suppose, but then again, you don't really need a lot of those most of the time. You know what I mean? No, not a cargo. We need a conveyor junction. Let's hope we have enough stuff here. I don't think we do, but we'll see. Yay, that worked. Okay, so these should be now filled with the good boom stuff. The good explodey things. Yes. Right. Now, off to the vault. Which is the other way around. Over yonder. So here we have the problem that I think if I saw this correctly, the main vault at the back, these two, they're connected. Yes, indeed they are. They are connected. Oh, I just realized I should also fix up something at the other place. But I need to get some more stuff there that I left behind anyhow, so that's fine. I need to put a steel plate in front of the conveyor. Well, need to. Want to. Looks a bit more beautiful. Boom. Hidden away. Okay. Very good. So that is resolved. So now to figure out why the small vaults are not connected. Maybe I should also find out if all the small vaults are not connected. I assume they are not, but... So what is this thing called? They're called vault cargo. They are... Well, the three on this side are obviously connected, and the three on the other side are, but nothing beyond that. So I guess we could just cut this, right? Yeah, fine. We can also cut here. We need to do a little bit of the cutting and to figure out why these are not connected. Or did I make these with the intention that they are not supposed to be connected to the main cargo? But then the vaults are connected to the cargo. So yeah, see, this is connected to the main. So technically, if I just add like a conveyor here that goes up and on the other side as well, we can connect these fairly easily. Actually, this one doesn't even have to go all the way up. We can just connect them to this one. So yeah, that's what we're doing, I suppose. Let's get some interior plates first. There we go. Okay. Yeah, let's get all the interior. That's a bit not enough, really. There. Let's get all the interior plates and start sketching this out. So this one goes up and then right into this one, and then we don't need to deal with anything on the upper side, really. This side is a bit more tricky, I suppose. So this could just go straight up into this conveyor junction. So we'll have to weld all of this first, otherwise we'll block ourselves in. I could technically make this into a conveyor junction too. Maybe I should. I probably should, right? Okay, let's do this then. With you all. Alright. Now we need 2 conveyor junctions. Do we have more small tubes, or is that it? By the by. That's it. Okay. Small tubes emergency. Please make some. Thank you. Right. Let's get more of these and do all of the rest of the connections that we need over here. So here we'll put just a conveyor. That's fine. We don't need to connect that in any other way. Well, technically here we could just put one above it, I guess. Would have to use a little bit less material. It's fine. And then this one just goes right into this little thingy, yes? Like that. And then everything will be connected. Most excellent. Okay. Alright, we need a lot of you and a lot of you and that. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, connected. Excellent. Here. Excellent. That's connected as well. Okay, now to just seal it up again with those steel plates. And we're done. And this one. Okay. Very good. So that has been dealt with. So, now, if I'm correct, then right now, the rocket launchers should have filled up with at least one rocket each, because I think the game is relatively smart when it comes to distribution of stuff. So, I'd say, let's push the button and see what happens. Maybe do a little save beforehand, just in case one of the rocket launches is backwards. Although if it was backwards, then I couldn't feed rockets into it, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Alright. So, let's see. First, let's group those. Rocket launcher, there we go. I don't think we need to separate them. No. Save. And then groups. Shoot once. Is there nothing in the way? No, I don't think so. Alright. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Fire! Oh, that was cool. I want to do it again from this perspective, see how it looks. Captain, fire a barrage! Cool. So aiming wise, I basically have to, as soon as I have it into the center window, right next to my crosshairs, that's when it's basically in range and, or not in range, but in focus. Nice! I kind of want to do it again for the thumbnail. Let's do it this perspective. Yeah! I love it. Okay, we have wasted like, how many is it per side? 4, 8, that's 24 rockets? I wouldn't say it was wasted, we had fun. If you had fun doing something, it's not wasted, right? Okay, so that's good. I think what else is left to do before leaving? I guess we'll have to give a quick look to the jump drives if they are charged already. I don't think they are, but we might have to take a look. Oh, they are charged. Reporting, jump drives are fully charged. Excellent. Well, that basically only leaves, realistically speaking, only one thing to do, and that is pack this baby full with as much cargo as we can, right? I mean, the more we can take with us, the better we'll fare out in space when we do the jump. And now that the main... Oh, I wanted to exit the airlock, really. Now that we have connected the main cargo hold as well, luckily... Oh shit, I opened the airlock. I'm an idiot. That was because I built a ship in creative where I had a setup like this, and then the button here was basically close all doors, which is a lot smarter than what I'm doing here. But I think I have enough ice, it's fine. There we go. Okay, so I will have to pump this baby full with all the cargo. Main concern is uranium, but everything else that I can fit on it as well is good expenditure, good spend, a good thing. And you know, I think that means next episode we're gonna have liftoff, we're gonna have blast off, we're gonna have to have a go. Or should we do the destruction next episode? I'm not quite sure what we should do. You know, port this into creative and just tear it apart with weaponry and stuff like that. That would be kind of fancy as well, I suppose. Also, just right now that I'm looking at it, this edge here is really unappealing. Or is that just me? To me, this feels wrong, you know? It's just a weird edge that just doesn't make sense. I guess one is never finished with building his ship. But yeah, to me this edge here feels strange. The question is, what can I turn this edge into? You know, from a logical standpoint, what does fit in here? Do we do something like this? You know, where then the surrounding edges are gonna go into that? Does that look good? Let's try this for a second here. That would give it a little bit more of a rounded feeling, I suppose. I mean, it kind of fits with the... Not quite, but a little bit with the curvature of this thing. And then this line here kind of fits a little bit with these. I actually think that's better than just having a corner. So we're gonna do it here as well. Sometimes you have to look at a thing 1,000 times before you realize that it's not what the thing you wanted. It's not always easy. There we go. Okay. So, next time, we're gonna have a big cargo loading section. Then we'll do like a systems check if everything is operational. That should be operational. If we have enough fuel and oxygen and hydrogen and whatnot. And then I think it's time to explore a new planet. The Red Planet. Home of the red things. No, I'm not sure what we'll find there. Nothing! Because it's space engineers, most likely. But you know what I mean. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and take care.